Jackhammer.
Oh, no. I'll do that for not to put it on Facebook. That would have been perfect. Yeah. You want some Beach Boys?
Well, I just want to video it, put it in the background.
Wow.
A couple of stories.
Easy. Like if it's like this now, can you imagine? Like a Cat 3?
I know.
All the people that own here, they were all. I post pictures up in December when I was here because they have a their own. They have their own thing on Facebook, Solmar owners,
Right.
and so they wanted to know because nobody had been here.
If there's anything left.
Yeah, and so I put them up.
The strength can recycle for every 5 minutes.
Yeah. I remember Hawaii, they said it was every 3 ways. So we come 1, 2, 3 ways, and then come on, and then 1, 2, 3.
These are like 4.
Yeah, these are different. We get big ones like this, with palms, look up high.
It's not just a part of the wave, it's like almost all of the wave coming at the same time.
Just keep shoveling.
Yeah, you know, they wouldn't be doing that in the United States. They're like, no way OSHA would let them get away with that.
Oh God, no. Can you picture them telling the union guy to go down there?
Wow. No. That's awesome. It's just fantastic.